The goal of this system is simple. Send outbound emails that feel one-to-one even when you're sending thousands. The way you do that is by treating the campaign as a pipeline, not a clever prompt. Each tool has a specific job and none of them work alone. Start with the business objective. Traditional outbound fails because it's generic. Text personalization helps a little, but video creates attention and trust. The insight here is that we can generate a short, custom video for every prospect automatically, using their role, company context, and a clear reason your product matters to them. Golpo is not the brain of the system. It is the renderer. The brain is Claude or Codex. Now walk through one prospect end to end. Imagine you're selling a B2B SaaS product to a VP of sales. First, Apollo is used to find and enrich that person. You filter by title, company size, industry, and region. Apollo gives you verified contact data and firmographic context. That data is stored so you never enrich the same person twice and waste credits. Next, Claude enters. You do not ask Claude to write a video script immediately. Instead, Claude creates what's called a personalization brief. This is a structured summary of why your product is relevant to this exact person. It includes a hook, the likely pain point, which product features map to that pain, the tone of the message, the target video length, and any risk flags about what not to claim. This brief is the source of truth. Everything downstream comes from it. Once the brief is generated, Claude uses it to produce two things: a tight video script and matching email copy. The script is short, usually 30 to 60 seconds, and it follows a consistent shape. It opens with a specific reason you're reaching out, frames one problem that matters to their role, shows how your product solves it, and ends with a single call to action. No rambling, no generic claims. That script is then sent to Golpo through the Golpo API. Golpo takes the script, your brand settings, voice style, and visual template, and generates a whiteboard-style video. This step must be asynchronous. Video generation takes time and can fail, so you store the job ID, wait for completion, and retry once if needed. When the video is ready, you save the video URL and thumbnail. You do not embed the video directly in the email. Email clients block that. Instead, you embed a clickable thumbnail that links to a landing page where the Golpo video plays instantly. That landing page has exactly one action, like replying to the email or booking a short call. Then the email is sent, either through Apollo sequences or your own email provider. Sending must be throttled. You control how many emails go out per inbox per day to protect deliverability. Every send is logged so you can track replies, bounces, and opt-outs. That's one prospect. Scaling to 10,000 works the same way because everything is state-driven. Each prospect moves from new to enriched to brief created to video ready to sent. Queues handle the volume. Databases prevent duplicates. Nothing relies on memory or manual steps. Quality control is built into the system. Claude is constrained by approved claims and banned claims. If required data is missing, Claude must say unknown and avoid guessing. Videos are sampled for review based on tier. Top accounts get human review. Volume accounts get automated checks for script length, brand terms, and compliance. Finally, you measure what matters. Open rates are directional. Video watch time tells you if the hook worked. The real metric is meetings booked per 1,000 sends and revenue per campaign. You feed performance data back into the prompts, the ICP filters, and the video length. If you understand this as a personalization engine that outputs video, not a video tool that sends emails, you understand the system.